Welcome back. Verbal duel between two taxi drivers outside a hotel at Arossim ended in a murder. Justino D Costa from Quepem was brutally stabbed by another taxi driver. He breathed his last while undergoing treatment at GMC. Accused taxi driver Ullas Pednekar has been arrested by Verna police late Friday evening.
आज जो मुगे ड्रायव्हर असलो न्हू तो 4 दीस लिवेन वयता म्हणून आलो आनी तेणें आनी कोणा अरेंज केल्लो जो उल्हास नायक म्हणटा तेका गाडी चलोवपाक सो तो येयलो ना मग तेणें ताका विचारलें आ बाबा तूं कितें येवना इतलें म्हणून ताणें गाडी मारली ती तेंचे म्हजे फोनाचेर भासाभास जाली अशी आनी तो तेका हॉटलाक यो आनी कितें अशें करून धमकी दिवपाक लागलो सो हो आज आपल्यागे भावागे हलका जार म्हणून तो गाडी व्हरोन येयल्लो रेस्पराची
कोणाली गाडी
तेगे फ्रेंडाक गाडी मागलो मुस्तेणे सो ती गाडी व्हरोन येयलो तो उल्हास जाणा आसलो तो गाडी व्हरोन येतो म्हाज्या हॉटला कडेन तो कालेंस येयल्लो सो तो येयल्लो तो तेका राखून रावलो येयल्लो आनी तो मोटरसायकलीचेर बसून आसतना तेजी गोला धरलो आनी तेणें सूर केलें पोटाक तेन्ना थिंगा तेजे आनी कोण तेगे फ्रेंड तेका उलयतालो तेन्ना तेणें आडेल तेका म्हण आडेल तेणें तेका तिका लागून तेजे सूर गेले आनी सूर शेवटून मारले आनी धांवलो तो हो इन्सिडेंट हांव आसना थिंगा पूण म्हाका मुगे फ्रेंडान फोन मारून सांगिल्लें अशें अशें आनी मागीर तेणें म्हाका फोन केलो जिस्तान म्हाका फोन केलो आपल्या अमक्यान सूर मारल्या म्हणून
कितल्यांक सुमार
हे अरावंड 12:45
सुरी खंय मारले तेका सारकी
सुरी सारकी पोटार मारली
तुवें पळयलें ताका मागीर
हांवें मागीर पळयलें हांवें तेका 10 आपयन 108 आपयन तेका हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेलो मारगांवसून हॉस्पिटलांत तेका GMC घातलो.
There is need to preserve Goan culture and heritage. There is a need to understand history of Goa during Portuguese rule and even before that. This was the message by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar after inaugurating Goa Heritage Festival at Saligaon. The festival will go on for 4 days.
The Goa Heritage Festival began at Saligaon on Thursday. The festival was inaugurated by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मुंगेंचो अधिकतम पण म्हाका दिसता अनेक हेरिटेज अश्यो आसतल्यो की ते एखाद्रे 30-40 वर्सां सुद्दां पोरणी आसूंक शकता म्हणल्यार ताज्या मुळे सगळ्या गोंयकारांक एके कडेन येवपाचें कितें तरी कारण मेळटलें पण आमचे कडेन भरपूर हजारांनी वर्सांचो इतिहास आसा गोंयचो इतिहास 5-10 हजार वर्सांचो आसा म्हाका तो इतिहास आमी समजून घेवंक जाय कांय जाणांक अशें दिसता की पुर्तुगेज आयले तोच आमचो इतिहास म्हणून तो इतिहास न्ही ताजे पलतडचो इतिहास आसा हो सगळो आमी इतिहास समजून घेवंक जाय जाल्ल्यो चुको जावंक दिवंक जायना आनी ज्यो बऱ्यो गजाली आशिल्ल्यो त्यो फुडें व्हरपाक जाय पण हे फुडें व्हरपाक आमी आसपाक जाय.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar, MLA and GTDC Chairman Nilesh Kabral and others were present. The 4-day festival is organized by Department of Tourism with Goa Tourism Development Corporation. The festival aims at promoting Goa's rich, unique heritage and tradition. Many cultural events are planned during the 4-day event. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
On the occasion of 50 years of friendship between India and European Union, Entertainment Society of Goa is organizing 18th European Film Festival here at Panji. 24 films will be screened representing 24 countries from European Union.
Theme of this film festival is celebrating women, and according to the theme, all films made by the female filmmakers will be showcased. Talking about the film festival, Consul General of Sweden at Mumbai said that film are the medium to show the culture, and through these films, Indian audience will be able to understand European culture.
So the aim with the festival is to show the life of women and celebrating women, and we would of course like to highlight Europe.
Sweden is looking at India as a prospective market.
But the important thing for us is to try to increase the interaction between India and Sweden. And we know that there's a huge interest in Sweden and from Swedish companies.
The festival opened with the screening of a Swedish film, Beyond. Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.